Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to generate background music with ElevenLabs in 2025. It is perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, and any creative project. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on elevenlabs.io. Then you need to basically log in into your account. Over here on the home page, now you will see the fourth option of music. So if you click over here, you will be landed here on this page where you can basically begin your musical journey. You can also access this option by clicking on the music option in the left hand section in the products section. So over here, once you are inside this particular section, you need to simply pick your genre. Now, if you are using ElevenLabs premium version, you are going to see the option of picking your genre. So you can select anything like lo-fi, cinematic, EDM, or any other. Then you can also select the mood of your music. It can be calm, dramatic, upbeat, or relaxed, so that the AI could understand the vibe that you are going for. After that, you will see the option of number of variants. So if you want to create two songs out of that one prompt, you can select it. You can also select like four variants. For this video, I'm gonna keeping it on one. After that, in the duration, you can select the duration of your audio. So after doing so, here in this section, you need to enter your prompt. So you can use ChatGPT to write your prompt, or you can also type your own prompt if you have it in your mind. Just make sure that you provide as much details as possible for it. Now click on the option of generate and wait for some time until it shows you the track. Now once you have your track generated, simply click on this option of play in order to play your music. If you want to make any changes into it, you can click on the option of generate your song here, and basically you can rewrite your prompt here. After that, once you are done, you can click on the option of download in order to download this particular song. But as you try to download, it is going to ask you to subscribe. So I've already told you that if you are a paid member, only then you will be able to utilize this particular option in the best way possible. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.